Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can play split screen in Rainbow Six Siege on PS5. So there is no direct method. Rainbow Six Siege does not officially support split screen multiplayer on any platform, including PS5. But you can use these workarounds to play locally with our friends. So here is the method how you can play split screen in Rainbow Six Siege. So first of all, you require PS Plus and a friend online. Start R6C and go to multiplayer, custom game or quick match. Then press the PS button, go to game base and select a friend that is online. Choose share play, give controller to visitor, and your friend can now play streams through their screen but not through split screen. But this method has some limitations. Here you can read only one person can play at a time and requires strong internet connection. So if you have all these, you can use this method to play split screen in Rainbow Six Siege on PS5. Thank you for watching.